Thank you, House Chair. Making tough decisions in an uncertain and fast-changing world requires a steadfast commitment to statistics and evidence-based reasoning. And by grounding decisions in empirical data and sound statistical analysis, leaders can navigate that ambiguity and uncertainty with greater confidence. Statistics and evidence-based decisions provide a beacon of objectivity in uncertain times, enabling leaders to make informed, data-driven choices that drive progress, growth, and sustainable development. And along that vein, the ACDP would like to thank Stats South Africa for doing this incredible work under very difficult financial conditions. And yes, we share the concerns about the previous undercounting in the previous census and do believe that far more needs to be done to improve that aspect. But as the Deputy Minister indicated, stats can and should save lives when we apply that information which we obtain. We know the country faces high levels of inequality and poverty, and thus it is very necessary to frequently update the CPI basket of goods and services. Increasing global concerns about food security and domestically require specialized measurement. In addition to that, the specialized data that we receive about unemployment is also very, very important. And so therefore, all speakers have said Stats South Africa is underfunded. But what are you doing about it? What are the members of the Portfolio Committee doing about it? You have got the Monetary Bills Act. Why hasn't the committee approached the Appropriations Committee as our other portfolio committees for increased funding? We have to start exercising the powers that are entrusted to us as Parliament, because at the end of the day, we are the ones that appropriate the bill within the fiscal framework, but you can assist this very important institution. And I must say it's difficult because I also need to look at the Statistician General in his eyes, and we all agree they don't have enough funds, and he says, but what have you done about it? So I'm sorry to be quite harsh in this aspect, but I do believe the centrality and the need of Stats South Africa providing us data for policy decisions requires a far more robust approach to find that extra 300 million and to approach the Appropriations Committee and argue for that. You will see other committees are approaching the Appropriations Committee. So let's see if we can improve and ensure that Stats South Africa is properly funded. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Honourable Member.